Hello, my name is Zach, and I'm a repair technician here at Big Kaiser, and welcome to the Big Kaiser Repair Department. Over here, we repair big DAISHOWA products, such as angle heads, spindle speeders, and coolant inducers. We keep a fully stocked inventory of repair parts to ensure quick turnaround times. Over here are our Spindle Masters, which are precision measuring devices, which we use to check runout of our tools. Over here is a custom-built test stand where we check our angle heads and spindle speeders for temperature and noise. Over here is our balancing machine where we balance tooling assemblies. On this side of the room is our Big Kaiser boring head repair station where we repair boring heads from small diameter all the way up to large diameter. We also keep a fully stocked inventory of repair parts to make sure we get repairs out on a timely manner. Over here, we repair our Unilock work holding systems, and to the side and behind me is our machine shop where we use our machines for repairs, modifications, and to create custom fixtures. And that is our repair room. I hope you all have a great day.